Welcome to the Paisa Ka Gyan channel. The token from the US president has definitely become the main crypto event of January and claims to be the top event of the year. But not everyone was able to profit from the Trump meme token because they missed the moment, could not buy on DEX, did not record profits, and so on. All these problems are solved by modern trading bots. Today I will tell you how they work and who is the potential leader of this market. There will be no latest news, charts, or forecasts today. We will focus on such an aspect of the cryptocurrency market as modern trading bots. I will tell you how popular they are, who is the leader in this market, whether bots provide an opportunity to earn money, as well as whether they have weaknesses and when they will be fixed. I'll also tell you how you can increase your earnings on the new FATBOT trading bot. CX exchanges attract customers with their ease of use and apparent security when you shift responsibility for your assets onto the trading floor. But if we take the example of the Trump meme token, the guys who made the most profit were those who bought on DEX on the Solana network immediately after launch for $1, $2 or even $5. And then fixed the profit at a rate of $70 or more after Binance listed on the spot. Now more and more users of cryptocurrencies are trying to master DEX platforms because the first listings take place on them, and this is a chance to catch the coveted profits. And here we come to the topic of trading bots. So that you understand, this story is not about a scam like throw money here and wait for the bot to turn it into a fortune. We are actually talking about an interface that allows trading on DEX via the blockchain with the convenience of a centralized exchange. The leader in this segment is currently Bananagan, which has a token of the same name, and it is already traded on Binance. This token appeared on the market in the fall of 2023 and has been in the black since listing by 600%, while many altcoins are experiencing big problems. Now you have the last possible opportunity to enter the same project as Bananagan, only at an early stage of its development, before the public launch and listings. I'll tell you more about this later. How much can such a bot earn? On 13th January, the popular Bullx service surpassed the net worth of the second Ethereum cryptocurrency in terms of profitability. And the already mentioned Bananagan, according to the Dune Analytics service, received an average of $1.5 million in commissions per week during 2024. The worst week brought $500,000 to the bot, and the best almost $2,700,000. Some more statistics. The total trading volume of bots over the past 360 days is $60 billion. The total number of transactions over the same period is almost 250 million, and the total monthly revenue of such services exceeds $30 million. If you have noticed, then all these charts show a constant increase in statistics, that is, the demand for trading bots is growing every day. And this is despite the fact that they all have one common problem: the stated usability is at a fairly low level. This is, of course, much easier than trading with your hands through DEX, but it cannot be compared with the convenience of working on centralized exchanges. But the demand is very high because there is no alternative. To be more precise, because there was no such alternative before. Next, I will tell you about the modern FATBOT trading bot, whose team strives to simplify trading as much as possible, and will also distribute half of the bot's revenue to its users if they are the owner of the native FATTY token. I will ask you to like it, and also click on the subscribe button for those who have not done so before. This way I will know that there is a demand for creating videos about new trading services and other promising crypto projects with a claim to multiple profits. So, the FATBOT trading bot. The test version is already ready, and now we will analyze it in detail. I will also tell you how you can get FATTY at a price for early investors, so that you can then receive passive income from the bot or simply hit a good jackpot because it has the potential to increase capital by 130 times. Just about the most interesting thing. Where did I get the 130-fold multiplication figure from? The planned initial capitalization of Fatty at the time of listing is only $991,000. If the project can reach the capitalization of Bananagan's main competitor at 148 million, this will be the most cherished figure. How will they do it? Let's see what's already in FATBOT. To access the platform, you need to open the project's website and register. Enter an email and come up with passwords. It's very simple and fast. After that, we log into our account and get to the homepage. The main thing here is the deposit button to deposit funds into the bot. Then we can go to the trading section. Here we see tokens to choose from, which are currently trending or if you have previously traded them. There is also a menu for searching for the desired coin by smart contract or name. We go into the search. For example, let's buy an Arbitrum for Ethereum. We specify the amount and check the transaction parameters. Make sure that the anti-myth security feature is active and check the commission. She's not here, by the way. We confirm the transaction and wait for it to be completed. Ready? It remains to check the balance on which the new tokens appeared. And now we open the most interesting section, namely trading bots. The Ethereum network and standard transactions are currently available. Upcoming updates include the addition of support for Solana and Base networks, limit orders, AI agents, and support for the Pumpkin meme token launch platform. Sniping 2.0 and Pumpkin support should be highlighted separately from the list of upcoming features. Sniping is an opportunity to set up a trading strategy for a bot that will buy and sell tokens from the market itself according to set parameters such as price, capitalization, trading volume, and others. This allows you to increase the number of transactions by 100 times compared to trading with hands. After Pumpkin support is added, you will no longer need to track the feed of new tokens yourself. The bot will do this for you and conduct the transaction according to the specified parameters. It's also worth remembering the other benefits of FATBOT. This is a ready-made working product, and you can register on the website right now and start trading. Sniping 2.0 and other features will be launched soon. The potential for a 130-fold increase due to low initial capitalization and passive income for Fatty owners in the amount of 5 to 10% of the bot's fees. 4 major venture investors believed in FATBOT. In the first 12 hours of launch, more than 1,000 users signed up for the bot. 11 pre-sale rounds have also been successfully closed. The current number of Fatty owners exceeds 10,000 people. The collection amount was more than $6 million. This is one of the few projects in the crypto market with a fully public team supported by the professional development studio Cleviox, which regularly shares the results of its work on YouTube. For example, one of the videos reports that in November, the Fatty website was visited by about 366,000 people, while the sites of their closest competitors achieved 4 to 9 times fewer visits. PG and Fatty's listing is scheduled for the first quarter of 2025, and the team promises to launch trading on 4 centralized exchanges at once. But you can still manage to buy their token at the current pre-sale price, which is 2.7 cents. It is also important that the participants of this pre-sale round receive a token lock for only 1 month from the moment of listing. But I remind you that before any transaction, you need to conduct your own research, and this video is provided solely for informational purposes. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Paisa Ka Gyan was with you. See you in the new video.